Hello traders, and welcome to the Market Open Preview on a Wednesday, August 6, 2014. Great to be with you, coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand. Absolutely beautiful day, nice blue sunny skies, nice little breeze, and the Gulf of Thailand flat and blue. And we also have, my friends, nice white sandy beaches looking great. Early in the morning, my time, coming up on 9 a.m. Traders, great to be with you. Remember, this is brought to you through FXCL Excellence in Trading. All right, traders, if you will, let me introduce myself to you. My name is William Gilday, and I'm your moderator through the Market Open Preview Series, which we bring to you every single day before the London Open. Traders, I started trading in 2006. And in 2008, I retired from a great career in the fire rescue department in the great state of Florida. Got on an airplane, came to Thailand for a 3-month vacation to celebrate, and traded 2014, and I'm still here. The point is, I love what I do. I love trading the markets. I like being in front of my screens. I like doing technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and trying to achieve profits on a regular basis. No, we don't win every trade. We're not going to win every trade, but we sure want to win more than we lose. All right, traders, let's get over to the risk disclaimer. Forex trading has a large potential of rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex markets. Traders, it's very important that you do not trade money that you cannot afford to lose. Traders, also remember that past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. All right, traders, let's get over to commentary. All right, traders, probably the biggest thing is that the New Zealand had data come out, well, it was quite early. My time of the world is 5:45 in the morning, but they had unemployment rate come out at 5.6 versus 5.8. That was good data out of New Zealand. Coming up later today in the London session, we have medium impact. Looks like Halifax Price Index month-on-month and year-on-year. And high impact we have out of the UK, manufacturing production month-on-month. Please make note of that. That is high impact. Try to give you a little bit of everything here. Going down into the US session, we have no data in the US session. Our typical weekly gasoline inventory is not a big deal, not a market mover, and medium impact out of the CAD is going to be trade balance, so not a lot there, my friends. Let's take a look at how things closed yesterday in the markets. The Dow 30 closed down negative 0.84%, the S&P 500 closed down 0.97%, and the NASDAQ closed down 0.87%. Luckily, across the pond, we did quite better. The DAX closed up at 0.39%. The FTSE closed positive at 0.07%, just barely. The Euro Stoxx 50 closed very barely at 0.04 in the green. And currently trading as we move into Asia, we have the Nikkei 225 is down 0.84%. The Shanghai is down 0.68%. The Hang Seng is down 0.78%. And the S&P ASX 200 out of Sydney is also down 0.32%, and also the Kospi is down 0.30%. Traders all red in the markets in Asia today at the start. All right, let's give a little bit of commentary today. Not much to say other than what a sell-off we had in the euro dollar yesterday. It was an over 80 pip move. Remember, traders, the average daily range, which I really don't care about, but the average daily range is only 43 pips a day. So it's doubled its average daily range. And traders, I have to say that I expect it to continue. We are expecting, I think it's tomorrow, the BOE, the ECB President Draghi is going to make a statement, and I expect it's going to be dovish. And they're probably going to print more money. So we can expect more euro weakness. All right, traders, let's get over to the charts. This is the Forex 60-minute charts. Traders, we changed it up a little bit. Before I was giving you two currency pairs, and doing the daily, the 1 hour and the 15-minute. We're going to change this. We're just going to give you 6 pairs, 1 hour charts, give you some setups for today, and we'll be able to cover more charts in our market open preview, and I think that's more beneficial to everybody. So let's get started. So we might run maybe a minute longer than usual, but probably not. Looks like not doing bad on time right now. We want to try to stay at about the 10-minute mark. All right, let's get going. This is the euro dollar 60-minute chart. Look at that sell-off, which I just talked about in the commentary. What a sell-off. Now we're going to see if market's going to give us a nice retrace, because where are we at now? At 35.60, we're back at support again. So, we don't want to be trading into that. So we need this to pull up at least to the 23.6 fib. More preferably would be the 38.2 fib at 33.89. That would be really nice if we can get that up there and then resell it. But I'm only looking to sell this. Remember, this is an hourly chart. So if you take a look at that 33, looks like 85 area. If you look left of the chart, you can see quite a bit of resistance that we're going to bump into there. But that's not a bad place to let's think about taking that short. So good stuff on the euro dollar. Hope it continues. Hope the trend continues. Traders, the daily chart is bearish also. All right, let's take a look at the pound. I don't know, traders. I think the pound might have finished its little 3-week adventure of selling off, and I think it's going to turn around and start to head up to the upside. So I'm a little bit bullish on the pound dollar on the 60-minute chart. We had a couple of days of bullish price action on the daily chart. So I'm looking to take this up. I'd like to see this come closer to the trend line that we put on there and take it up. But if it doesn't, that is okay. We can take this from 68. Well, we can go at 68, I don't know, 68, 90, and let's take it from there, and we'll take it up to the 200 exponential moving average. But again, I'd like to see this come down at 68, 65, and let's see if we can get that down a little bit. We have quite a few hours, over 4 hours until the London Open, so we've got plenty of time. Let's see if we can get this to the sell side. And let's take this long with the stop right below the trend line. All right, traders, this is the Aussie dollar. Traders, I don't know what to tell you about the Aussie. The Aussie has just been absolutely crazy lately. It's all over the place. The trade plan is here. I don't know if it's going to work, but we definitely need to pull back. We're at massive support right now. We need to pull back to the 38.2 at 93.10. And we could take this short all the way to 92.79. Which, if you look left of the chart, you can see that that was support in the past. So yeah, we could take this, but the Aussie has just been so unpredictable in the last 2 to 3 weeks. It's been a very hard currency pair to trade. I have not taken a live trade in this currency pair. All right, traders, let's go over to the next one, and this is a good friend of mine, the Euro Aussie. It looks like the Euro Aussie on the daily chart, the 4-hour chart, is bearish, and the trade plan on the 60-minute chart is I want this to break below the 200 exponential moving average. As soon as it gives us a candle close below it, let's sell it. We want to take profit at 1.4328, and you don't have to put your stop all the way at 43.84. Right above that 200 exponential moving average is fine for your stop. If it gets up past that, you know what? We're probably not correcting the trade, and it's going to continue to bounce off this 200. And keep that in mind, that this can continue to bounce off the 200. This might not work. There's a strong possibility that this trade will not work. It's, we've seen, look at how many times it's bounced off this 200. So it might not work. We might have to reevaluate this at the London Open and maybe go long. So we'll just have to keep an eye on it, but the trade plan is to take it short. All right, traders, let's head over to the Euro Yen. Nice trading pattern last couple of weeks, doing really fine. Real simple trade plan here. Close below the 200. Let's sell. 137.35, 36, somewhere in there. Let's sell it. You can see the arrow on the chart, and let's just take it down to 137.00 would be beautiful. 137.03 in that area. Absolutely great. Nice trade setup. We just need the pullback, and then we can take this short. Easy trade plan on the Euro Yen, and it's been giving out some very nice pips in the last 2 weeks. All right, the last one for the day, traders. We talk about the New Zealand dollar. The New Zealand dollar had some data come out today, and the data caused this massive sell-off. So what we're going to have to do here is, this has really run its gamut of pips today. So we need a pullback. There's no way we can sell here. We don't even have 2 to the right, 2 to the left when we did the fib. This thing can just continue down. This is not a guarantee. So we need a pullback. We want to get up to that 84.67 area, 65 area, and we could take this back down. But there's no way I want to short this here, not even close. It needs to come back up to that 38.2 fib. I don't think it's going to do anything today, traders. I think it's finished for another 24 hours. It's moved way too many pips today, so I'm not sure we're going to get anything out of the New Zealand dollar today. Let's hope so, and we'll keep an eye on it for the London Open. All right, traders, I hope you enjoyed our new format, and thank you for joining me. Remember, this is brought to you through FXCL Excellence in Trading. And on behalf of them and myself, William Gilday, thank you for joining me for the Market Open Preview on August 6th on Wednesday, Hump Day 2014. Traders, grab them profits, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Take care, and bye-bye.